Hi, it's Steve from Stapling and Nailing Supplies, mytoolkit.co.uk. As you probably know, we're specialists in this industry, stapling and nailing, and we're accredited distributor for all the major brands. But today I'm going to show you how to use and the features on a Tacwise 18 gauge brad nailer. The model is a C1832V, and it'll take an 18 gauge brad up to a size of 32mm. And the 18 gauge brad is a very thin pin with a head on, and it's ideal for use for general joinery, home workshop, for glazing bead, fixing wood to wood. Lots of uses for this tool, and I've said many times it's probably one of the first tools you should get because it's so generally used throughout the woodworking industry. Features of the tools: air operated, just connect to the air line there. Quarter BSB thread on the tool there, and you can change it for different types of fittings. That's a uniflow high flow fitting. Air operated, open up the magazine, drop the pins in. That's actually a 30mm pin there, but as you said, you can go up to 32mm. Close the magazine, and then away you go. Now, to fire the tool, you have to depress the safety first. Other features on this tool: if you ever get a nail jam, disconnect from the airline, and I'll just show you here. I'll remove the pins, and there's a quick release on the nose there. So just release that, undo the jam, and close it back again, and away you go again. No more tip, a rubber tip on the end of the safety, so when you're working on soft woods like pine, you're not bruising the wood surface with the metal safety arm there. And very importantly on this tool is an adjustable depth of drive. Under the trigger there's actually a knurl knob, and by moving that, it moves the safety arm in and out, so you can increase or decrease the depth of drive. And what in effect it's doing, it's bringing the nose of the tool closer or further away from the work surface. And there's a deflector there, so the exhaust in air coming out the top of the tool, you can deflect that away from the eye area. And that's it. I'll put it on the airline, just crack a couple of pins in, and we'll have a look at it. Just drop those in. Safety goggles as always. Connect to the airline. A bit of timber there. There we go, 30mm, 18 gauge brad, and as I say, general joinery, beading work, etc., glazing bead, things like that. So there we go. And of course, you can always subscribe to our YouTube channel, and you can always email us or pick up the phone. So wherever suits, give us a call and contact us. Take care, see you again soon.